1. Introduction to OpenAI. Hello and welcome to this video on the topic of ChatGPT. Today, we will be exploring the world of artificial intelligence and how it can be used for a variety of purposes. Our focus today will be on OpenAI, a cutting-edge research organization that is dedicated to creating and promoting friendly AI. OpenAI is known for its cutting-edge research and development in the field of AI, including the creation of the GPT-3 technology, which we will be discussing next. Explanation of GPT-3 technology. GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language generation technology that has revolutionized the field of AI. It is capable of generating human-like text, making it a powerful tool for a variety of applications. This technology has been developed and trained on a massive dataset of diverse information, making it incredibly sophisticated and accurate. Brief overview of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a specific application of the GPT-3 technology that is used for chatbot development. It is a pre-trained language model that has been fine-tuned to generate responses in a conversational style, making it ideal for chatbot development and other similar use cases. In this video, we will be exploring the world of ChatGPT and its many uses, so stay tuned to learn more. 2. What is ChatGPT? Definition of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, as the name suggests, is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI using the GPT-3 technology. It is a pre-trained language generation model that has been fine-tuned to generate human-like responses in a conversational setting. ChatGPT is capable of understanding the context of a conversation and generating relevant and appropriate responses in real time. Explanation of how it works. ChatGPT uses a deep neural network to generate its responses. It has been trained on a massive dataset of diverse information, including books, websites, and social media posts. This training allows the model to understand the context of a conversation and generate appropriate responses based on that context. When a user inputs a message, the model uses that information to generate a response, which is then output to the user. Comparison with other AI chatbots. ChatGPT is different from other AI chatbots in several ways. For example, many AI chatbots are rule-based, meaning that they use predetermined scripts and responses. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a machine learning model that has been trained on a massive dataset, making it capable of generating human-like responses in real time. This allows ChatGPT to be more sophisticated and accurate than rule-based chatbots. Another advantage of ChatGPT is its scalability. Unlike rule-based chatbots, which can only respond to a limited number of inputs, ChatGPT can respond to a wide range of inputs, making it ideal for use in various industries and applications. Additionally, ChatGPT is capable of handling multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for global use. 3. Use cases of ChatGPT. Chatbot development. One of the most common uses for ChatGPT is in the development of chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create conversational AI chatbots for a variety of industries and applications, such as customer service, sales, and marketing. With its ability to understand context and generate relevant and appropriate responses, ChatGPT has the potential to greatly improve the customer experience for businesses. Content creation. Another use for ChatGPT is in content creation. The technology can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and other types of written content. This can be particularly useful for companies that need to produce large amounts of content quickly and efficiently. With ChatGPT, businesses can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human to write it. Data generation. ChatGPT can also be used for data generation. For example, it can be used to generate test data for software development or to generate training data for machine learning models. This can greatly speed up the development process and reduce the amount of manual labor required. Language translation. ChatGPT can also be used for language translation. The technology has been trained on multiple languages, making it capable of translating text from one language to another. This can be useful for businesses that operate globally or for individuals who need to communicate in different languages. Virtual assistants. Finally, ChatGPT can be used for virtual assistants. The technology can be integrated into virtual assistants, such as Siri or Alexa, to provide users with more sophisticated and accurate responses. With ChatGPT, virtual assistants can understand the context of a conversation and generate relevant and appropriate responses, making them more useful and user-friendly. 4. How to use ChatGPT. Overview of the API. To use ChatGPT, you will need to access its API, or Application Programming Interface. An API allows you to interact with the model and use its capabilities in your own applications. OpenAI provides access to the ChatGPT API through its platform, allowing you to easily integrate the technology into your projects. Setting up an account. To use the ChatGPT API, you will need to set up an account with OpenAI. This is a straightforward process that can be completed online. Once your account is set up, you will have access to the API and be able to start using ChatGPT in your projects. Integrating with your projects. Integrating ChatGPT with your projects is relatively simple. The API provides a range of functions and tools that you can use to interact with the model and generate responses. You can use the API to input a message, receive a response from the model, and use that response in your own applications. Best practices for using ChatGPT. When using ChatGPT, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First, it's important to understand the limitations of the model. ChatGPT has been trained on a large dataset, but it is still an AI model and is not perfect. It's important to thoroughly test the model and make sure it is generating appropriate responses before using it in a real-world setting. Another best practice is to use the model in an ethical and responsible manner. This means avoiding using the model to generate inappropriate or harmful content. Additionally, it's important to follow the guidelines and terms of service provided by OpenAI when using the API. Finally, it's important to keep the model updated. OpenAI is continually improving the ChatGPT technology, so it's important to regularly check for updates and take advantage of any new capabilities and improvements. Advantages and limitations of ChatGPT. Advantages. 1. High accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is its high accuracy. The technology has been trained on a massive dataset and can generate human-like responses that are often indistinguishable from those written by a person. 2. Natural language generation. Another advantage of ChatGPT is its natural language generation capabilities. The model has been trained on a large amount of text data and is able to generate text that is coherent, grammatically correct, and sounds natural. 3. Cost-effective. Using ChatGPT can also be a cost-effective solution for businesses. The technology can be used to generate large amounts of content or to improve the efficiency of customer service operations. This can result in significant cost savings compared to hiring additional staff or paying for other solutions. Limitations. 1. Dependence on data. One limitation of ChatGPT is its dependence on data. The model is only as good as the data it has been trained on, so it is important to make sure that the data is diverse, inclusive, and of high quality. Additionally, the model may not perform as well if it encounters topics or scenarios that it has not seen in its training data. 2. Bias in the model. Another limitation of ChatGPT is the potential for bias in the model. The technology is trained on a large amount of text data, some of which may contain biases and stereotypes. This can result in the model generating biased or inappropriate responses. 3. Strict commercial usage policies. Finally, it's important to be aware of the strict commercial usage policies of OpenAI when using ChatGPT. The company restricts the use of the technology for certain purposes and has specific requirements for commercial usage. It's important to thoroughly review the guidelines and terms of service before using the technology in a commercial setting. Conclusion. Summary of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. The technology is based on the GPT-3 language model and is capable of generating human-like responses in natural language. It has a range of use cases, including chatbot development, content creation, data generation, language translation, and virtual assistants. To use ChatGPT, you will need to access its API and integrate it into your own projects. Future outlook for AI chatbots. The future of AI chatbots looks promising, and ChatGPT is poised to play a significant role in this field. With advancements in AI and natural language processing, AI chatbots are becoming more sophisticated and capable of handling a wider range of tasks. The use of AI chatbots is also becoming increasingly widespread, with businesses and organizations using the technology to improve customer service and streamline operations. Final thoughts and recommendations. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile AI chatbot that has a lot of potential for businesses and organizations. However, it's important to keep in mind the limitations of the technology and use it in an ethical and responsible manner. Before using ChatGPT, it's also important to thoroughly review the guidelines and terms of service provided by OpenAI. Overall, ChatGPT is a promising technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI and improve our daily lives.